First flight of my Mini 2. Very easy to fly, this thing. One battery down, and I got lots of footage. So flying this drone is plain amazing. I mean, I finished 2 batteries before I had a lot of shots. I mean, I got a lot of shots. And compared to my Mavic Pro, which was my first drone, there's no disconnection at all. I mean, it was true. All of the reviews online, the OcuSync 2.0 is just plain magic. And then I was in the car, I was driving the car, I was doing the quick shots. I never had any disturbance when it comes to the remote control signal. There's no signal loss, there's no nothing. I mean, it went down to at least 2 bars in the signal of the RC, the remote control, but it didn't stutter or anything else. And on the fly, I was switching to cine mode, normal mode, and the sport mode. And it was just the best. So this is what I'm talking about, you guys. Me switching between a sport cine and normal mode on the fly. And look how quiet this drone is. You know, when I was thinking of buying drones, I want to make sure that it's going to fit in my bag, because I want to carry one bag. I want to carry one bag as much as possible, and this does the trick. I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds and put my mask on. So this is how it looks like in the bag. See, there's the drone in here. I got my lenses in there, and the gimbal. It's just one bag, and this camera right there goes in here.